Have you tried to create your own marketing, but everything that you do just seems to fall flat? Unfortunately, if you're a small business owner trying to do this on your own, you know how frustrating it can be to where you thought you had done everything right, maybe even paid a website developer to build you this website, but for some reason, things still aren't clicking. I wanted to give you guys an inside look at a call I did with a local small business owner named Malcolm, who was really excited to get his speaking business off the ground, but for some reason, the website wasn't connecting. I want to share with you guys some of the things that we found on his website so you can check out your own marketing to see if you're experiencing some of these issues yourself, because I guarantee you, after looking at hundreds of small business websites, you're probably making these mistakes.
Okay, then on a technical standpoint, from like an SEO standpoint, I can tell the person that built it doesn't understand that part because the heading structure and everything isn't set up properly. So we want to make sure that we have one H1 per page and we don't have multiple. Google only wants us to have one. And then typically in that H1 heading, we want to have the main keyword that we're trying to rank for, or the thing people might be searching for. In the eyes of Google, yours is breathing is, and then another one, freedom. So two H2s. And so a lot of times if people don't understand SEO and site structure and they're just a website designer, they're going to make things look a certain way and they're not going to understand how that can impact people being able to find you on Google. So a lot of times they will use these heading tags to change the size of fonts and not realize how that affects overall site structure on the eyes of these search engines like Google. So like this right here is technically a heading by how it's tagged on the back end of your website. Right here. So we would want to create a true headline for this and put paragraph text underneath it so it has a better overall structure. Does that make sense?
Yes, it does.
And then I can tell that you have done some like site title or meta description, or it was done for you automatically. So that's good, but we would just want to make sure that that's optimized to have more people find you. And the URL here, is this built in Webflow or what's this built in? Do you know?
I believe it's Framer.
Okay, so yeah, I've heard of that. It's an AI web builder tool, I believe. So another thing that I would say is like whenever there's just some technical things that aren't set up properly. So whenever I click on this, I'm going to show you this. The URL is going to change here. When I click on your logo, it should just default to breathingisfreedom.com, but instead it's bringing up, it was just adding right there, this because what that's doing is that's a little line of code, these hash marks, to where you can make it scroll to certain sections of the page instead of opening up a new page. So it's just linked in properly. So it's able to just like refresh the page and you can get stuck. And that's also causing, some of these other issues to be seen on the technical standpoint. Let's see, does that fix it? No. And then for some reason, your website is showing that it's not indexable. So I would make sure that you've submitted it to Google Search Console, and it should tell you why it can't be indexed and found by Google. Okay. The other thing, you asked a great question about having some type of lead generator or something like that on your website. Absolutely. And you are teed up for several great ones. So one could be some type of like affirmation journaling type thing. It could be some type of wellness checklist. For you, another thing that could work really well is, as you said, you're familiar with Wim Hof. He's got a lead generator on his website where it's like a 5-day breathwork challenge. So you use something like that to where it's done and it's video guided. So it's like a mini video course even. Nice. So you see your lead generator could be the 3S thing that you have down here. Yep. They are learning that system and they're going to get one video sent to them over 3 days. And then there's going to be a strong call to action at the end about why they should book you as their next speaker. And that way, again, especially you have to remember what people are buying from you is you. They're buying you for speaking. So in our lead generator, I think it'd be more impactful to see a video from you in a PDF or a quiz or something like that, because looking at you, and we want them to see so much of your energy and personality where they're like, well, why wouldn't we hire Malcolm to come speak to our team, our school, our teachers and stuff like that?
So now this was just a few of the things that we went over on our call with Malcolm. And like I said, I see small business owners all the time do this, but not even realize. And it's not your fault. You don't know what you don't know. And that's where experts like us come in, and Sean Garner Consulting, our agency, can help small business owners just like you fix your marketing so you can grow your business and dominate your industry. So if you're looking for a fresh set of eyes, or you're looking for an agency partner to come alongside of you and really take your things to the next level, love the opportunity to connect with you guys. Click the link below, schedule a call. It will be with me just like that one was right there. On this call, what we're going to do is we're going to do a deep dive over your business, just like what we did with Malcolm. I'm going to do a complete audit for you so I can show you the blind spots you have, hear more about where you're looking to take this thing, and show you how we can partner alongside you to serve your business so you grow, reach the customers you're supposed to serve, and dominate your industry. Looking forward to talking to you soon.